SY65W product introduction. SY65W is a new generation of hydraulic wheel excavator independently developed by SANY heavy machinery. The machine is equipped with a 0.21 cubic meters bucket, and the working device adopts a fully welded box design with a firm and durable structure. Equipped with a new bulldozer, double-circuit brake, and parking anti-slip system and double-balance hydraulic suspension system. The cab meets the FOPS and ROPS certification and is equipped with a sunshade of humanized design. The whole machine adopts advanced SLSS hydraulic system, integrates with high-performance hydraulic components of world-class brand, realizes the perfect matching of pump output and load demand, and greatly improves system efficiency and reliability. The power system adopts V2607-DI-TE3B-CBH-2 engine of Kubota with rated power of 43 kilowatts, 2000 RPM. Generally speaking, SY65W wheel excavator is flexible and convenient, energy-saving and efficient, and widely used, which is favored by the market.